I'm Emyr George, Adnodd Chief Executive, and we're excited to grow and strengthen our board in 2027 and beyond. With two members of our Audit, Risk and Assurance Committee reaching the end of their term with us, this is a great opportunity for someone new to join the board and bring fresh thinking and perspective. We're looking for people who bring senior leadership or board level experience and a strong understanding of education in Wales. But just as importantly, people who are curious, collaborative and focused on delivery and outcomes. We work bilingually and flexibly, so we're looking for people who are comfortable operating in that kind of environment. We want our board to reflect modern Wales. That includes strengthening Welsh language representation, whether that's people on their learning journey or confident speakers, and widening the range of our board members' lived experiences. At Adnodd, we value collaboration and curiosity. Experience matters, of course, but attitude and openness are just as important.